Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, today we have to start a new chapter.
Today, yes, we are going to start a new chapter that was already started with class 6C yesterday. They had their class.
Okay.
So it is going to be revision for class 6C, and for class 6A and B, it is going to be a new chapter.
Ma'am, but I'm saying that we have to start with a new copy.
No, not new copy. Why new copy? As it is,
As my previous copy is filled.
then better certainly you have to make a new copy.
And I asked because of also the half yearly has been completed, so in second term.
No, that is no issue. If your copy is still there, you are not supposed to start a new copy. Hello. Is there any class 6B student here?
No, ma'am.
No, okay, fine.
Ma'am, only 11 students are there.
All right. How many students from class 6A are here? Anyone from class 6A? Yes, Vidushi. And anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. Shrey Kakkar and one has joined.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Vansh Mahajan, Shrey Kakkar and Vidushi.
Vansh, Mahajan, Shrey Kakkar, and Vidushi. Okay. All right. So open up your books to page number 47, children. We are going to start off with Leçon 4. Leçon 4, deviner. What is deviner? Class 6C. Every question that I'm going to ask, you are going to answer.
Guess. Guess. Guess.
Yes. Deviner means guess. Now, in this chapter, the name of the chapter is guess. So let's see what they are telling us to guess. What question they have. Écoutez et regardez. Listen and see. Anish says, Salut Manuel, bon anniversaire. So, Anish says, Salut Manuel. Everyone knows the meaning of salut, class 6A? Yes.
Yes.
Hello, Manuel.
Hello.
What is bon anniversaire? That means?
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
That is happy birthday. So Anish says this thing to Manuel. That means it's Manuel's birthday today. Manuel says, Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup, Anish. What is merci beaucoup?
Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you very much, Anish. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Now, Anish is holding something in his hand. He is at the door and he's holding in something in his hand. So Manuel asks, Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est means, what is this? What is it or what is this? Then Anish says, C'est un cadeau. C'est un cadeau. It is a gift. Cadeau.
It's a gift.
Gift. Because it is Manuel's birthday, so Anish has got a gift for him. He says it is a gift. Then Manuel says, C'est un livre. He just makes a guess. He just guesses and asks, is it a book? Anish then replies, No, ce sont des chocolats.
No, these are the chocolates.
These are chocolates.
Very good. These are chocolates. Manuel says, Ah, c'est gentil. That means Oh, that's so sweet.
Oh, that's so
Oh,
sweet.
so sweet.
That's so sweet. That's so kind. That's so nice. Anything. Etel. Now, what he says, Etel.
Who
Who
is that?
who
Who is
is she?
he?
No, first of all, tell me the meaning of A-E-T-A. What is the meaning of E-T-A? A,
And she.
yes.
She.
And she, and there's a question mark. And she, who is she? He is so. He is so. He is so. How do we say it? He is so. Just say,
Yes,
everyone just say it.
Yes, sir.
He is so.
Kiesa.
Etel, he is so. And she, who is she? Who is she? Set Yoon Ami. Next
She
line
is my friend.
no,
He
not
is a friend.
yes. She is
Yes,
a
ma'am. She is a friend.
She's a friend. Sit Yoon Ami. This is a friend. Elsa Pel Nadia. Elsa Pel Nadia. She
Her name is
Her
Nadia.
name is Nadia.
yes, her name is Nadia, or she calls herself Nadia.
Nadia.
Now, do one thing, class 6A, write the translation of the whole passage in your copies. Then we'll move ahead.
Then in notebook, I wrote in book.
I'm writing it in my notebook as you have said that whatever you write on the board, we have to write. We have to
But
copy
beta,
it
on the board, I did not write the complete sentence, no?
Okay, ma'am.
I just kept speaking it. So now what you will do, you will write it in your notebooks. And class 6C, have you already written? You already wrote?
Yes, ma'am. I have written like first I have written in French, then in
Yes,
English, then
yes,
French, then English.
Every dialogue you're supposed to translate in English. Manual Anish, like that. Do it. 5 minutes for this work.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the dialogue of Maulin, Mercy, Bokiv, Anish? After that, I can't understand. Queste se queste.
See beta. Now, qu'est-ce que c'est is, what is this? How do you write qu'est-ce que c'est? Q-U-E-S-T. We pronounce it as care, right? Care. Then comes so. It becomes qu'est-ce. What is it, Vidushi?
Yes.
Yes. So, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Which means what is it or what is this?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, till the time they are doing, can you explain my doubt?
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, yesterday we had done that dialogue and you explained a lot about the QSA and in detail.
Yes.
So, and then you explained something like this also, that is on page number 48. You were asking question QSA, क्यों से, then it will be say, जैसे it is a chair, so क्यों chairs,
Yes.
say saw this leverage means, can you explain this again, like
Yes.
saw this and then
After-
on a
Rishika, after they'll finish writing it, I'm going to do the same thing with this class also. Okay? So your doubt will
Ma'am, what
be
is
cleared.
written in the
Okay, ma'am.
Anish dialogue in the third line? What is written in the Anish dialogue? I can't understand.
Setam kado. Setam kado. Now see, what is this? So the answer comes, this is a gift. Set kado. We mean, what do we mean by this? Say means this is
a gift.
This is a and gift. This is a gift. Setam kado.
Excuse me, ma'am. The manual dialogue, it is written set and leverage. So it means that is it a book?
Yes, he is asking. It is a book. Tanya Negi is in which class? 6A or C?
I'm 6A.
Negi.
Ma'am, A.
Sanidhya Negi.
Yes, ma'am. He is not opening his mic as her sister is making noise. So,
Due to what?
ma'am, he is not opening his mic as her sister disturbed in her class. That's her.
Ma'am, in the ma'am, in the fifth dialogue, non seasoned the chocolates. So, ma'am, this means no, these are chocolates.
Yes. When he guesses that it is a book, he says, no, these are chocolates.
Ma'am, what is written in the Maulan dialogue? Ah, set gentle.
Ah, c'est gentil means, oh, that's so sweet. When he hears that Anish has got chocolates, he says, oh, that's so kind, that's so nice.
Okay.
Ma'am, please tell the second last one.
That is, oh, that is so nice. And who is she?
Etel means and she. Who is she? Etel and she. Who is she? Because there is someone with Anish at the door. He's not come alone.
I have done.
Vidushi, you've done? Everyone has done from class 6A?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see. There are a few things that are very important. In English, whenever we ask a question, what is this? Like suppose I have a pen in my hand. What question am I going to frame for it? What is this? If suppose I have more than one pens in my hand, my question would be, what are these, right? But in French, our question for singular or plural, whether it is in singular, the object, the noun is in singular or plural, the question is qu'est-ce que c'est only. If we want to ask, what is this? The question does not change. For singular also, we are going to put up the same question. For plural also, we put up the same question. But if our reply has to be in singular, how do we reply? We reply as c'est un stylo. And if there is more than one pen, what am I going to reply? Ce sont des stylos. Okay? But the question will be the same for both. The question will not change. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, for human beings also, when do we ask this question, what is this? We ask in 3 cases. Now, what are those 3 cases? For things, for birds, and for animals. We ask it. Suppose there's a dog and you want to say, ma'am, what is this? So what you are going to ask? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Suppose there are birds flying in the sky.
Ma'am, can you come in a minute?
Vidushi, but you're going to miss what I'm teaching you.
Okay.
There are birds flying in the sky and I want to ask, what is this? Or what are these? Or what are those? What am I going to ask? Qu'est-ce que c'est? So for animals, birds and things, we ask qu'est-ce que c'est? And for human beings, what do we ask? For human beings, we ask qui est ce?
Yes, sir.
Qui est ce? Whether it is one person or it is more than one person, my question will be qui est ce? So suppose you want to say it is a boy. C'est un garçon. Okay? It is a girl. For girl, what I'm going to do? Will change to une, right? And a girl in French is called fille. C'est une fille. Suppose you want to say these are girls. So what you are going to say? Say will change.
They saw they.
Very nice.
They see.
Ça sont des filles. If suppose you don't want to say it is a boy, it is a girl, you directly want to tell the name. This is Krishna. So what you are going to say? Say Krishna. Right? You're going to say Krishna. In that case, we are not going to put a in between. No, because we don't say this is a Krishna. Right? Do we say a? Do we put indefinite article before names?
No, ma'am.
So in that case, we are going to say Krishna, say Vidushi, say Goranshi. Just the name, no article before it. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Perfect. Now suppose I have this phone in my hand. I want you to put up a question. I want you to put up a question. What will your question be? Tell me. Yes?
We at sea. With sea.
No. How will you ask? What are you going to ask for phone? What is this? How do we ask what is this in French?
What is this? Yes, ma'am.
Everyone will unmute himself
Also-
and herself
Qu'est-ce
and say, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que
Qu'est-ce
c'est?
que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce
Qu'est-ce
que
que
c'est?
c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
It is as simple as asking like this. Now read it.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que? By qu'est-ce que c'est? Just
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
कैसे?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Not कैसे. Now who is this saying कैसे?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
And another question.
Yes.
Yes.
Qui est ce? Qui est ce?
Yes.
Yes.
Qui est ce? Beta ce.
Yes.
Qui est ce?
Yes, sir.
Qui est ce?
Yes, sir.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Okay.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Tell me, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que
C'est
c'est?
un stylo.
Very nice. C'est un stylo. Very good. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un stylo.
Ma'am, we have to, if anybody asks that,
understand.
what we call pen, what is this? Like you have shown a pen. What is this? Just asking that qu'est-ce que c'est? So we have to tell the name of the pen in French only.
Yes, definitely. Why will you use
Ma'am,
English?
I don't know what
between-
is the name of the French. Name of the pen in
Stylo.
French.
Stylo, beta. It is stylo. It is
Stylo.
written in your book.
Stylo.
Okay, now tell me, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Cat.
C'est un
Very good. C'est un, and cat is called chat.
chat.
C'est un chat. Right?
C'est un chat.
C'est un chat. Now tell me. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est bird? Qu'est-ce que c'est bird?
Qu'est-ce que c'est bird?
Now who remembers
Qu'est-ce que
what
c'est?
the word is called in French? Who will tell me what are birds called in French? Okay, I'll tell you. Bird is called oiseau.
Oiseau.
What?
C'est
Oiseau.
un
Qu'est-ce que
oiseau.
c'est oiseau?
Ce sont des was.
Very nice. Now, who said ce sont des oiseaux?
Ma'am, Shalima.
Very good, Shalima. Because Shalima saw that there are more than one bird. There is more than one bird. So it is not going to be c'est un oiseau. If you answer c'est un oiseau, it is wrong. Your answer
Ce
should
sont.
be ce sont
Ce
des
sont des
oiseaux.
oiseaux.
I didn't understand.
Okay. See, beta, when there is more than one thing, what we use ce sont des. When there is just one thing, we use c'est un or c'est une. Okay? C'est un
sont
or
des oiseaux.
c'est une. Now, I have drawn so many birds on the board and I asked you, what is this? So you're replying in singular. So that is wrong. Why? Because there is more than one bird. So your answer should be
They saw
des
the bird.
oiseaux. And you
Ce
remember?
sont des oiseaux.
Yes, and you remember the last chapter when we studied plural of nouns. We are applying all those rules in these sentences. The words ending in EU, AU take X in the end to change into plural. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So the answer is ce sont des oiseaux. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Set on
They
livery.
all livre.
Very nice.
Or
C'est un livre. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Shell or sea.
Stylo.
Stylo.
C'est
Stylo.
un
Stylo.
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 Stylus.
Qu'est-ce que c'est stylo?
Ce sont des stylos.
Yes, ce sont des stylos. Or beta, if it is appearing like a crayon, then also it is fine. Your formation of sentence should be correct.
Ma'am, crayon.
Des stylo.
Yes, ce sont des stylos. Beta, I don't know what I drew. What it is looking like, you can answer according to that. My drawing is not good.
This is a girl.
Feel. You feel.
File.
Says you feel.
C'est ça. On est
They
C'est ça des filets.
You feel.
Filet.
Say so the feel.
Okay, now tell me. What question should I put up? What question should I put up? I wanted to frame a question for this.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Say girl on you.
Sorry.
Ce sont des filets.
Cuise.
Yes.
Ce sont des filets.
The question will not be qu'est-ce que c'est. It is going to be qui est.
Yes.
Why? Because there are human beings. What
Yes.
girls are what human beings. So it is going to be qui est ce.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Okay.
Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Rishika, now your doubt is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One thing that you all have to remember is when we, okay, tell me the mistake.
Ma'am, can I tell, please?
Okay, I would first want class 6A to answer if they can pick out the mistake in this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I think you and ma'am, I can't read it.
Yes,
Ma'am, that
it is called ion.
Yoon, ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yoon
this
is a
is
mistake.
wrong because As ma'am, there is written Priya, but it is written the ELLES.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is wrong in this sentence is the
Ma'am, my first one.
tune. Very good. Say Priya. That is correct. We can't say tune Priya. Okay. Pick out the next mistake.
Ma'am, you have written.
Ma'am,
You
can I
know, ma'am, it will be
Ma'am,
there.
it
Ma'am, it will be
is
there.
saw
Ma'am,
they.
it will be there.
On will be
Ma'am, it
not
will be
there.
there.
Base will be
Ma'am,
there.
there.
They.
Song they
Ma'am, they.
share. Very good.
Ma'am, I didn't understand this sentence.
This one. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Shares. What is shares? Shares is chairs.
Chair.
These
Ma'am, we
are.
have to write.
No, better right now. Let's just do it on the board only. Just pay attention
Okay.
here, then you'll understand everything. If you properly pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, next sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I write? Ready?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, ready.
Ma'am, we should put X because
Very
EAU.
nice.
Ma'am,
What is this?
X. Ma'am, there should be X.
Very good.
Oh.
There should be X in
Ma'am.
the end. Naman, wonderful. Sa son dekha do. Okay, next.
Ma'am, we should
Ma'am,
put
you
on.
written. Ma'am, you should write. There should be
Ma'am, you have to write ma'am, because it's a masculine gender.
Ma'am, Garso is a boy. is used for a boy and Yun is used for girl.
Gar kaun?
Ma'am, you have not put it S after fee.
Very good. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it looks like you people have become pro in it. Huh? You're picking out my mistake in fraction of seconds. Yes?
Ma'am, I can't understand still.
You can't understand what, beta?
Ma'am, how to point out the mistake?
See, now what I had written here, sa son they fee. Now, sa son, when do we use sa son? When we have something in plural, when the noun is in plural. So what mistake I have made here? I have written sa son they. This is all in plural till here. And fee, my noun I have put in singular. So it becomes wrong. It should also be in plural. Then only my sentence is going to be grammatically correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In the
Okay.
previous one, what I did, I had put you and S. Sa, so, they. My whole sentence is in plural, but the plural of this noun, I have made it wrong. Why? Because all the words, all the nouns ending in A-U,
E-A-U.
take X in the end. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, why X? Ma'am, why X?
It is a rule, beta. It is a rule. We studied in the previous chapter. There are 3 rules of making a noun into plural. So all the words that are ending in EU, AU and EAU, how do we make them into plural? We don't add S. S is wrong. What we do? We add X to it. Is that clear? This is one of
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, in EAU and in EU also, no?
Yes, EU, AU, EAU. In all the ending, if the ending of the word is this, we put X in the end to make it into plural. Clear?
Okay,
Then,
ma'am.
in this one, what I did, Seth un garçon. But listen. Garçon is what? A boy. What I have
I'm a boy.
un is what? Un
Feminine.
used as
For girls. And for girls.
Feminine gender.
For female.
definite article that comes before feminine gender. So what I have to do, I have to change this into plural because boy is,
Yes,
sorry, not plural, in masculine because boy is masculine gender. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts to anyone?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in AEU, there is X in last or not?
EAU. AEU, what is AEU? तो कोई word होते ही नहीं है French. AEU is nothing. Either it is EU or it is EAU or it is AU. So to make these words into plural, what we do, we add X in the end. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Just go through the entire chapter, these dialogues, and the next page also, page number 48. The pictures that are made, 6 pictures. Read them and tell me if you find any problem, if you have any problem regarding any sentence.
Ma'am, please tell again what we have to do.
On page number 48, go through these 6 pictures, read the sentences written below them, and tell me if you have any problem in understanding them.
Ma'am, no problem.
No problem?
No
All of
problem.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Class 6A?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, coming
No,
on
ma'am.
to the next part, this pink table. Now, what you're going to do, just write the dialogue given in the pink table in your copies. It is very important. About qui est ça and qu'est-ce que c'est. To find out about people, we
Ma'am, I didn't understand what we have to do.
pink table given on page number 48.
Yes, ma'am.
Write it in your copies. For human beings, what we say, what we use to find out about people, we ask qui est ça. See, two examples are given. You have to write both these examples. And qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this or what are these. Show me a thumbs up if you've understood what you're supposed to do.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Beta, what is wrong, Rishika? Pink table.
Ma'am, I have to only write sentence.
You
or
have to
whole
write
table.
this table as it is in your copy. About
Okay.
qui est ça
Ma'am,
and
what we
qu'est-ce
put
que c'est.
this or these
जैसे
in
बुक
French?
में लिखी है वैसे ही कॉपी में लिखो. What, Naman? What, Naman?
Okay, ma'am. What is the word for this or these in French?
Beta, for this we use say, which means this is.
No, ma'am, in the QSA, qu'est-ce que c'est or that one. In that, it is this or these. Who is this? Who are these?
Qu'est-ce
Ma'am,
que c'est? Now, qu'est-ce que c'est? The last word is this. What is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is that? It is. What is that? It is. If you don't literally translate it, the whole expression is to be learned as qu'est-ce que c'est, which means what is
Okay,
this?
and ma'am, for what are these? It is same.
Yes, the question for both will be same. What is
Okay.
this and what are these? The question will be qu'est-ce que c'est.